It's month of June. And what about having a glass full of mint crusher in this hot summer? And what if that mint comes straight from your garden? Nothing like it, huh? So let's harvest some mint and grow new mint plant from the cuttings. While harvesting the mint plant, never pluck its leaves alone. Cut the entire stem. It will help it to grow further. And it will be a 3-in-1 process. We will prune, at the same time we will harvest, and at the same time we will propagate this mint plant from cuttings. Sometimes people complained that they are unable to grow mint from cuttings. So I did a little experiment. I took three types of cuttings. One is thinner branches, next one is thicker branches, and one is smaller top part of the branches. I put first two types in water and the third type in sand. Now this is 1 week after we started the cuttings. Now you can see after 1 week these thinner branches have developed no root at all. However, the thicker branches have started developing roots. They have small roots all over. You can see the difference, right? So it is clear that thicker branches are good candidates for cutting. Now let's see whether they have developed any root. They have not developed any root in 1 week. So probably they need some more time, and we will check it after 1 week. And after 1 week we will transplant the other cuttings. Those already have developed root. We will give some more time to them to grow it further, and we'll check these cuttings at the same time. Now after another week, these thin branch cuttings have almost died and they are of no use now. We can't transplant them, they have not developed any root. These thicker branches looks healthy. They have grown further, they have developed new leaves and their roots grown further. So we will transplant it today in soil. Now let's see if these cuttings have developed any roots or not. I'm getting a little resistance. So it seems they have got some roots. Now I become a little cautious over here because I don't want to damage their root systems. Yes. It has got whole bunch of roots. Now it is ready to transplant. Today we will transplant all these cuttings. While transplanting, add sand to your garden soil. These newly developed roots need some breathing space, so sand helps the soil to loosen up. Now just put the cuttings in the pot and top with some soil. And your new mint plants are now ready. You can grow your mint plant from store-bought mints as well. Take the cuttings from there. You just need to choose the right branches. Now you know, right? What are the right branches for a cutting. To start a new cutting, Take out all the leaves from the bottom part of the branch. Just keep top view and put it in water. And if you are starting in sand, just do the same. Keep the branch a little smaller. Utilize these leaves for your crusher and enjoy your drink while at the same time you grow your mint plant. Isn't it cool? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Balcony Garden for more videos like this. And thanks for watching.